Ah, fuck. I have something in my tire. And it's leaking air. So I'm gonna leave the piece in there because if I remove it, then the hole's gonna be bigger. It's a bit like when you have when you've been impaled with something, you don't want to bleed out. You leave it in until you meet the professionals. So I'll do that, which means I don't know. Fuck. Good day, everyone. It's my first ride since the flat tire, and it looked like the pressure was at 0 when I pumped the back wheel a few minutes ago. So I don't know if this ride's gonna last, and I may need to replace my wheel entirely because my patching didn't work, it seems. If it does keep pressure and I'm able to ride, the plan is to head south all the way to Maisonneuve, where Maisonneuve Boulevard begins on the east end, and then take it all the way to the west. Straight line for, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 kilometers. And then make my way back up north, zigzagging through residential areas, and then heading back home. I have class tonight, so I can't stay out all day. I've had a lot of exams for school, so my mind was completely elsewhere. I hope I'm able to upload this for Wednesday, which would be today for you, hopefully. But I have a new class tonight. So my wheel is not keeping pressure. I felt it when I was turning, and it felt like my back was sliding more because the wheel's not keeping a shape, so it's making me slide. So I don't have time to go to the shop. I'm going back home. I'm gonna put my bike in storage, give it a quick cleaning. It's for the brakes because it keeps squeaking. And well, I don't know. I thought I had it solved, but I have to replace the wheel. Better play it safe in this case. It's gonna cost me $165 plus tax, plus probably some labor up to $50. But it's to be expected when you own a vehicle, to put some money into it.